17 years old, investing in real estate. Let's go. So I'm here today with my man Josh. Interesting story. He overseen this project at 17. Managed to get this one done. Josh, question, right? First things first, I want you to introduce yourself to the people.
Joshua Muhammad, 18 years old now, born in 2004.
So yeah, man, born in 2004, bro. Like running laps around a lot of us already. Tell me about this property. When this property was in its original condition, like what stuck out to you, where you seen that you can get it to this level of just nice outside?
Well, what really stuck out was the fact that the location was next to a racetrack and there was a pool in the back. That's what stuck out to me. And I was just like, man, you changed up the painting, all types of stuff like that. You changed up the painting.
Did you pick out all the colors?
Nah, that was actually mother and father. Mother and father helped. That was my idea for the the wood right there. That was my idea.
That's what makes it pop. When I was driving by I was like, those wood columns are really, that makes it pop. When you first started this project, you were 17, you're 18 now. But let me ask you this: how did you manage to go to school and oversee this project?
It was really like I had to make a choice. Follow my career, go through with my dreams, restart. That was horrible. Cut that part. Basically, I was just like, man, this is a good opportunity. This is an amazing opportunity. Honestly, who wouldn't take this over school?
What's your GPA? Do you know your GPA in high school?
I don't want to talk about it, but I know I'm succeeding in life. That's all.
Hey, that's all it counts. That's all it counts. Now you managed to get work done, and once you got work done, did you come here first, or did you come here first after high school and then you got work done? What did you do?
I came here first while in high school, and I was doing work. Like I work from home.
Okay.
So I'm actually trying to graduate early. Like I had to leave school in order to basically do all of this. I had to leave school, but I was in school at the time. But I had to leave school. That was a sacrifice. I had to leave school and still work.
Okay, but you still able
still graduating early.
You still graduating early.
Yeah. Hopewell
Okay.
High School. They actually gave me that opportunity. Hopewell High School.
Hopewell.
I appreciate it.
Hey, shout out to Hopewell High School. All right, cool. All right, so let's go inside, man, and just give us a tour. This tile, whose idea was this?
The tile, that was my mother.
Okay, all right, okay, because this was nice. No expense left behind. When I first walked in this property, it just gave me that homey feel, right? It just gave me like, yo, I'm home. The finish is here, right? Like the way you laid this floor is actually different, and it's actually beautiful. Was that your idea to lay the floor like that?
It's my mother's idea. This is actually herringbone pattern. We actually use this on a lot of our properties, like a lot of different properties we're using this on. Like we got a property in Oakdale and Oakland and just all around Charlotte.
Yeah, this pattern is nice and different.
One of a kind.
Yeah. Now tell me, like when you manage the property, right? When you manage this project, right? Did you have to make sure the guys get things done? Did you make sure that they were here on time?
Yeah.
Tell me about that process.
I was arriving 8 o'clock every day.
8 o'clock a.m.
No rest.
All right.
No rest. I'm talking about 8 o'clock a.m. leaving at like 7 o'clock, going home, doing schoolwork, working out. Like, what I'm saying? Real talk. I came here every day. I'm on my D and I'm telling everybody, what it is. Everybody was really, it was like a group project. Everybody really did it with care.
Now we got the island here. Was the fireplace already there? Or did you put that there?
The fireplace was here, but it was horrible. Like, I remember cleaning it off. I remember the stains I was on it. It was horrible, but we brought life to it.
Okay, yeah, you definitely brought life to it. Now these countertops, the butcher board, the single wide sink, was that your idea?
Yeah. My mom was asking me if she should do it. This wasn't even here before. The sink was gone. We put a stove right here.
The recessed lights makes it look modern.
Yeah, the lights was expensive. That was about like $600 of work, $600 light work right there.
Coming here. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with this bedroom. Tell me about this bedroom. Like, what did you do from where it was to where it is now?
Painted. I helped paint this bedroom. I swept it all out. This is actually Occupancy Heroes. Occupancy Heroes work. Like all of them, they're a part of Occupancy Heroes. And Maintenance Heroes, which is a division of Occupancy Heroes. This mirror wasn't here. The bed wasn't even here. This light is a nice light. Doors was expensive too. They was about like $300 to $400 each one. We actually upgraded them. I remember the doors was all messed up. There was rusting.
Yeah. Now these doors are nice. Doors are nice. And now, hey guys, check out the levers, right? So these, you could do the fingerprint. They got the fingerprint joint, or you could do a code. It's electronic and it works off the Wi-Fi, or it comes with a key. So now we're in another bedroom. I mean, as far as the staging and decorating, I'm assuming that's probably was your mom's, right? Okay.
She did a lot of the decors. The decors was about $7,000. It was about $7,000 for the decors.
That's not bad, because I thought she was going. I thought it was going to be more than that, but they did really good to furnish this. This is nice. You had to put the expensive doors in there.
Yeah.
Now, before we check out the master, let's go to this bathroom here. As far as being in this bathroom,
My
like
favorite room.
it's your favorite room in the house. All right, so tell me about this process, and you know, what did you do in here?
The cabinets, man, these was about $2,000. This wasn't even like this, you know. This wasn't even like this. We put the countertops on there. It was my father's idea for the sinks that look like this. This was amazing. You know what I'm saying? The floors, everything. I remember when I first came here, I'm like, I don't even know what to do with it for real.
Oh, okay. All right, yeah, and I just love the gold finishes. Yeah. The gold finishes just say $500,000 house.
It really feels like the master of the bathroom.
Yeah. This is.
I call it the master bathroom.
And you got the laundry room in here, so yeah, and they actually leave stuff out for people to use. Like, I don't leave out the whole Tide bag because it'll walk out the house. All right, so listen, now we're in the master. Okay.
Second favorite room.
All right, so you have nice size closet over here. It looks like, but all of them pretty much got nice size closets. This is a nice. I like the space. I mean, you have enough room for his and her stuff.
This right here, we trying to figure out a name for it. We call it a TV case. My father did this.
These are getting more and more popular. Yeah. Now, is your father, is he hands-on?
Hands-on.
Okay.
Hands-on.
Yeah.
This is where I learned a lot of this from. Like, I first got into all of this around like 15 years old. I remember I got my first property. 15 years old, I was flipping houses, you know what I'm saying? Not really flipping houses, but punching houses, punching homes. And I knew I was going to get into flipping homes, you know?
Okay, yeah, definitely. All right, so this bathroom, right? New, I mean, everything in the house is basically new. New light fixtures, and y'all picked out some interesting light fixtures. Like with me, like when I'll just go on Amazon, if it looks good enough, I'll take it. So, you know, that shower is, yeah, it's where it's at.
You might like this. This might be your favorite bathroom.
Yeah, I definitely like this. It's electronic. Like everything in this house is updated. That's a Bluetooth speaker, right? Yeah, I got that in my personal house. I put them in my flips too because people, you know, just it's extra. Make them feel good. Make them feel good. All right. All right. So there's in this particular house, there's like another area called the lower level. So we're gonna go down to the lower level, man. Check this out. This is basically like a whole nother apartment itself.
Lower level.
The lower level, bro. It's a whole nother apartment itself. You know, I called it the basement. They corrected me. Lower level. But the lower level, man, I mean, with this flooring, okay, it's beautiful. Being that you guys, this property is Airbnb, you can lock that door. You can rent this out by itself. Is that correct?
Facts. You can actually rent this out by itself. The lower level did not look like this. The lower level, when I tell you, it was like the complete opposite of this. The duct work that was done up here for the HVAC, all types of stuff, like this is expensive work, like $500 work, real talk. I remember when they was taking a whole bunch of the stuff down. It's just expensive. Then you got the bathroom right here.
I love this now. And look at the door, sliding door. Look at this, the work. I love it. They did a good job on that. Interesting. Now, if we come over here, we have the toilet, the same sink and faucet I got in my personal house, but this here, right? They did oh my God. Hey, look, guys, look. So this is like, oh, okay, there we go. So yeah, man, they got it really, sexy in here. And then they got the stove and the sink
And the refrigerator too.
and the refrigerator.
You can grab a drink if you want. This right here, we're gonna turn it into a sauna and a gym. Now, this is just a glimpse of what we had to go through for real, with building up this property. Like, this property was no joke. Like, imagine these type of floors and dust everywhere. Real talk. I know you already been through this.
Yeah.
For me, it's different. Like, first property, 17 years old, is like a dream come true. Real talk. Like,
Yeah.
this is all I really wanted.
Interesting. You overseeing this whole project, man, and it's definitely interesting. But so yeah, you're gonna turn a 2-car into a sauna and a workout room. That's cool. We got one more surprise for y'all. I hope y'all staying with me. One more surprise.
Yeah, they say pictures speak 1,000 words, but I say mirrors speak 1,000,000,000. Like, look at this.
Yeah, that's a nice mirror.
These couches was actually from a different property. This is an expensive couch. Really expensive. The labor took about 20K. It was like 40K for the rehab, and the house itself was $240,000. So, we really put in a lot of work.
Wait, you said like 40,000 for the rehab?
40,000.
Yeah, I was really hands-on because this would have cost me a lot more. This is the surprise, guys. Man. All right, so that's a swimming pool.
9 feet for real.
It's a 9 feet swimming pool. They got it covered up. It's the winter here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So yeah, they got it covered up right now. But yeah, man, it has a pool, diving board and everything. And they got the outdoor furniture.
And then we got the shed out over there. And if you have pets, we also, we got that right there. We really gonna upgrade that fence. Like, the fencing, that's all gonna be upgraded soon.
You got this property done. All right, so you managed this. You're good with your hands. Did you enjoy the process?
It was great. It was a great success. I enjoyed this process. I would do it 10 times over again if I could.
What's next for you at the high school? Like, what do you plan to do at the high school?
GC. So I got that down on my list.
All right, so you want to be a GC, a general contractor. And for those who are wondering, North Carolina, to become a general contractor, you do have to take a test, because any job over 30,000, you would need a general contractor's license. But GC, what else you want to do?
Go to CPCC, directly from Hopewell High School. Go to CPCC. They came to my school a lot, and I really appreciate how much they do for their students. For real.
Yeah, okay, so go to community college and take what, general contracting classes?
Yeah.
Okay, and get into this. Yeah, and that's something I wish I would have known how much trades and can make, because I didn't know that coming out of high school. Nobody necessarily talked about that. They just said go to college, and I went to college. But if you would have just had me study for my GC license, I could have done damage with that. Like, you could have really make some great money. Now, as far as this property here, right? This is an Airbnb, correct?
Facts.
All right, so it's an Airbnb.
About 6 to 7 grand weekly. That's how much it's pulling. Somebody actually wanted to buy it for $450,000 when we first got done with the property, and we was like, we gonna keep it.
Wait, you said you make about 6,000 to 7,000 a week?
6 to 7 grand.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Again, you 18, about to graduate high school this month. I don't know if you're gonna choose to walk in June, but he's graduating early because my man's a genius and my man's getting to it. Now, all right, so people gonna wanna reach out to you because you inspiring the youth and all that. Please tell them your Instagram.
XOJmoney_. At XOJmoney_.
XOJmoney_.
J Money. Like, how they got
Yeah.
bill on the bill.
Okay, you gonna text me that. We gonna put that in there. We gonna put that in the
I don't know my presidents, but I know my history.
Yeah. So we gonna put that in the link, man. These young kids, man, they got different different slang, a different way they do things, man. But tell me, like, what you think? Would you get your kids involved in real estate? Are you getting your kids involved in real estate, man? Is that your plan? Why do you want to get into real estate? But yeah, man, make sure y'all click on the video next to me, man. I'll see you guys in the next vid. Peace.
Peace.